Okay guys, let's make dragon fruit shake. Alright, so here it is. I used only 1/2 of my dragon fruit. So that's my 1/2, and then I'll put water and ice, cold water of course. Sige, let's try. Guys, I've finished one, and then ngayon, yung pangalawa, at lalagyan natin siya ng ito, yogurt. It's cream, thick cream. Meron lang siyang strawberry flavor kasi wala po yung plain. So, ito yon, may strawberry with bananas and of course, dragon fruit. Okay, tanggalin ko. And then, get this one. Yeah, looks messy, but it's yummy. All right, let's pour it down. Okay, there you go. Let's pour the drink. All right, I have a small glass. That's why, ayan. Okay, we have this. So, ayan, very busy. Making dumplings. Ayun, siopaw. And there, it's actually siopaw asado. And this one is fries. Ito, chicken popcorn. Okay. So here's the sauce for my corn. Yes, with butter. Buttered corn. And that's hash brown. Hash brown with the sauce. Yeah, that's the sauce. And those are chicken popcorns with fries and lettuce. Wow, with my special sauce. Okay, that's my dragon fruit smoothie. Enjoy your special drink. Thanks for watching. This is Simply Jane saying, bye for now. See you around. God bless.